Concerns about the safe use of chlorine and the generation of potentially cancer-causing chlorine byproducts have driven the need to develop alternative disinfection technologies. Evonik's VIGOROX WWT II peracetic acid is a leader in non-chlorine-based wastewater disinfection. Due to its strong oxidative and biocidal capacity, low concentrations and short contact times are sufficient to reduce wastewater contaminants. VIGOROX peracetic acid's long shelf life assures that it will remain at its guaranteed assay and eliminates the need for concentration testing. The product is dosed at the head of the disinfection chamber and does not require pre-dilution or the use of carrier water. Once in the wastewater, peracetic acid rapidly dilutes, diffuses, and inactivates harmful microorganisms, such as coliform and E. coli. VIGOROX peracetic acid also disrupts cell metabolism, denaturalizing cell proteins, disrupting membrane transport, and preventing microbes from building up a resistance. Peracetic acid breaks down to oxygen, water, and vinegar, and as a result has a low impact in the environment. Evonik's VIGOROX WWT II peracetic acid can be deployed safely at your water treatment plant to meet your microbial reduction requirements while reducing downstream environmental impacts. For more information, visit us at www.evonik.com/active-oxygens.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.